What's up, Scissor-7 fans? I hope you're as excited as I am. Oh my god, I'm finally here. We're finally on season 4. I can't believe we're on season. I can't believe I watched 3 seasons so far. It flew by. This is crazy. Season 4, episode 1. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed the reaction. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss any reactions. We're in the middle of a fight. I hope we start this episode in the middle of a fight. I don't know what's gonna happen. 7 is, I think he woke up a little bit. The immortal blackbird. Oh, he's immortal? Holy shit. That was sick, dude. That was so sick. Oh my god. Yo, he looks so cool. Oh, you really fought bravely. No. No. I doubt he's gonna let you. Damn. Oh. Okay, that's a new intro. Holy shit. Okay, this is good. This goes even harder. What is that? That's Green Phoenix. Bro, the animation is getting better too. Damn, look at her. Damn. Whoa. This is sick. Bro, that power is crazy. Oh! Damn, bro. This fucker is good. Get him, yes. Holy shit, that looks crazy. He'll manage, I believe. What the fuck? Demon Blade Slash. Oh my god! No way! Yo, no way. What is that attack? That's kind of crazy. He is immortal. Holy shit. That's him training. He can't feel pain. Damn, this fucker's OP, bro. Damn. Let's go, 7. Damn, if he's that strong, what about the other ones? No, no, hold. Oh. Oh, wait, so sunlight. Okay. Okay. He figured it out. Let's go. Come from the light. He can't look at you. Yes! It's too bright. Damn, he looks so badass, bro. They look crazy in this anime. In the dark.
我为什么要在黑暗中战斗呢？
一个门派的崛起，需要有人做光明正大的事情，也需要有人暗中处理掉一些阻碍我们的人。对于我们飞鸟们，你就是黑暗中的英雄。
Oh, that's how it works. Let's go. Bro, this fucker is becoming darkness himself. It's like a black hole. Wow. Damn! He pushed himself with the sword. He didn't let him finish it. Let's go. Yo, 7 is sick. Did it work? Oh! Yo, the animation is crazy. What?
不能让这些肮脏的事情玷污飞鸟们的声誉。
肮脏？没有我们黑鸟系做的肮脏活儿，你们白鸟系能享受现在的成就和荣誉吗？我们才是飞鸟们的幕后功臣。
It's like an eternal struggle with the white.
我们才是飞鸟们的幕后功臣。
Yo! He hit him. What? What? What the fuck? No! No way! The sword sucked the whole darkness out of him. It just absorbed it, no? Bro,
你并非不死之身，你只是感知不到疼痛吧？
我不可能会输给你。师傅说
just light and dark.
系只是个门面，黑鸟系才是最强的。
Wow.
师傅把功力传给我时说，如果有一天黑白不合，杀黑保白，因为世人不喜欢黑暗的东西。 飞鸟们要走远，只能靠白鸟系。
Wait. So he was lied to, telling him he was the high. Bro.
真是可惜了，本来帅气的脸弄得这么狰狞，谢幕也要漂漂亮亮的。
Damn, bro, this girl. She got it all, dude.
会玄冰刃的毒，还能打败黑鸟，真是厉害呀！我喜欢的男人，还是要我来下手啊。
还有一个人要刺杀首领。
谁？
Oh, he's trying to kill the leader. Bro, we're on season 4. What the fuck is happening? Green Phoenix is trying to kill the leader. So that was his plan all along, huh? Yo, I love how they always give you, like, when you look at the dark side, you always assume that it's like dark and evil. But with the story, they're telling you about the black bird. It wasn't even like he was the evil part or like the evil half, like dark and light. When there's light, there's darkness. And when they don't see eye to eye, you have to sacrifice the darkness because people are repulsed by darkness, not by light. And so it wasn't like evil and good. Damn, man, they kind of made me feel bad for him, for Blackbird, dude. He was kind of lied to, no? Did I get that right? He was lied to, like he was fighting in the darkness for the greater good. But he was gonna be sacrificed either way when it's like a conflict between the two. When they can't agree, you sacrifice the darkness. Yo, I can't wait to see her power. That looks crazy. That power looks sick, dude. This anime and the animation in it is insane, man. They don't drop the ball on it. They're cooking with every fight. It always looks so sick even when it switches. Okay. I knew there's something at the end of it. What? So he's dead? What a start. What a episode 1 for season 4. Holy shit. That's how we starting the season? That's crazy. All right, man. Hope you enjoyed the reaction. Make sure you hit that like button. I'll see you on episode 2. Bye.